Can we be certain that the laws of nature are immutable and universal? This is a question that has puzzled scientists, philosophers, and even laypeople for centuries. At first glance, it may seem like the answer is an unequivocal yes. After all, the laws of nature seem to govern everything from the tiniest subatomic particles to the largest galaxies in the universe. But upon closer inspection, things get a little more complicated. One of the key challenges to the idea of immutable and universal laws of nature is the fact that we have only observed a relatively small portion of the universe. Even with our most advanced telescopes and scientific instruments, we can only observe a small fraction of the cosmos. This means that there could be entire sections of the universe that operate under different laws of physics than we are familiar with. Additionally, some physicists believe that the laws of nature may change over time or under certain conditions, such as extreme temperatures or pressures. Another challenge to the idea of immutable and universal laws of nature is the existence of quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics is a branch of physics that deals with the behavior of subatomic particles, and it operates under a different set of rules than classical physics. In the quantum world, particles can exist in multiple places at once, and their behavior is governed by probabilities rather than absolute laws. This means that even if there are universal laws of nature that apply to the macroscopic world we can observe, there may be a whole other set of rules governing the subatomic world that we are not aware of. Despite these challenges, many scientists and philosophers still believe in the idea of immutable and universal laws of nature. They argue that the laws of nature are so fundamental and ubiquitous that it is unlikely they could ever be overturned or changed. Additionally, they point to the fact that the laws of nature have been consistent throughout human history, and that they have allowed us to make incredible progress in understanding the world around us. In the end, the question of whether the laws of nature are immutable and universal may be one that is impossible to answer definitively. We may never be able to observe every corner of the universe or fully understand the subatomic world, so it is impossible to say with absolute certainty what the laws of nature truly are. Nonetheless, the pursuit of knowledge and understanding is a noble one, and the search for answers to questions like this is what drives scientists and philosophers to push the boundaries of what we know and what we can discover.